Boom shakalaka, a sad day for all meme coins, and watch out for these signs of a breakout in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including watch out for the breakouts, up or down. I don't know, you'll just have to stay tuned and watch the video. Now, before we get into it guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to my favorite channel on YouTube. And that isn't even true, but hey, you should subscribe to this channel. Now, if we get started, today Fear and Greed Index at 76, up from yesterday's 74. We are back in extreme greed, hopefully for good, but I doubt it. There's going to be some massive shakeouts coming. The overall market up 1.5% today. Bitcoin is 68,631, Ethereum at 37.49, BNB at 601, Solana 168, XRP 53 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, Toncoin 630, and Cardano 46 cents. Now, Bitcoin, you can see, still in this bull flag. The projected price target of this bull flag, roughly about $113,000. But just recently getting rejected from the top of it, as a matter of fact falling below this dash line, previous all-time highs right around $69,000. Go Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look, you can see, just like me, there is a nice inverse head and shoulders forming here, and the projected price for this inverse head and shoulders upon completion, independent of how big this shoulder is, it could be right there. As soon as the price comes back up, guess what? Boom! Price goes up to $92,000. You don't want to be caught on the wrong side of that. However, I acknowledge some of you are day traders and stuff like that. So if the price goes down to here, you would be really butthurt, as opposed to if it stops right here and you get caught on the wrong side and your shorts get squeezed and yada, yada, yada. Now, today, sad day for Dogecoin. Rest in peace to Kabusu, the face of Dogecoin. Encourage everybody to buy one Dogecoin in honor of her. Probably one of the oldest living Shibas ever. Sad day for Doge. Sad day for meme coins. Sad day for everybody in cryptocurrency. Hopefully that day will go down as a day that the Doge died. Maybe. Who knows? But maybe Dogecoin will take off. Now, if we take a look, as we were saying here, Bitcoin got rejected. Yes, it did. Facing some resistance near the range high. Expecting some consolidation in the mid $65,000 range before another leg up. You can see was resistance here, was support back here, also support back here. So potentially in that mid-range, we might find some more support. And in that case, guess what? The shoulder would be right around there, and then it would take off. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of this one. Especially if we take a look right here, small dip ahead before continuing to local highs. Yes, that's right. A whole bunch of people who just went gig along on Bitcoin are going to get all liquidated before the price goes back up, because there's always more pain to whatever side more people are betting on. If we take a look at the TD sequential, perfected TD13 count sell setup on Bitcoin CME futures weekly. Could this have been a fake out higher before another low? Tend to think May closes strong, but June opens to a bloodbath before going much higher, $80,000 to $90,000. Now that would not be unusual. There is an old saying we talk about all the time, thanks to Bill Noble, Crypto Noble. Sell in May and go away, and he didn't come up with that. I mean, that's just like a Wall Street thing, but he always used to say whenever we would talk in June and crypto prices were plummeting, yeah, sell in May and go away. If you're a trader, maybe you want to sell in May and go away. Everybody goes away for the summertime. Nobody trades in the summertime. And based on what Bitcoin roughly does 6 months after halving, 5-6 months after halving, guess when that is? That's like September, October. Again, nothing's going to happen this summer unless it does. So clearly you need to make up your own mind and figure out what to do, because I don't want to tell you I told you so in another month when prices crash, or they go up really high, or those stay the same. One of the three things, guaranteed. Now, if we take a look, Bitcoin 1 and 2 year HODL waves, the highest it's ever been. You can see right here, growing and growing and growing. Wow. People love Bitcoin. They love their Bitcoin. Now, not letting go. And you know who else is not letting go of Bitcoin? Bitcoin whales, buying the dip. The large Bitcoin holders have purchased over 20,000 Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Oh my goodness. When do they normally do this? Well, they did it on a dip right here, but here they definitely didn't do it on a dip, but they did it kind of after a dip and then to the top, and then here they do it again after a nice price consolidation. So buying some more, worth $1.34 billion as prices drop below $67,000. Do the whales know something we don't know? Maybe that there's a fixed supply of Bitcoin, never going to be any more. Now we know that. So what do they possibly know? Well, the Bitcoin is going to do amazing. If we take a look here, the Bitcoin euphoria zone, even though we did have a brief moment of euphoria as Bitcoin approached previous all-time highs, guess what? In bull runs, you approach this euphoria zone many times. And we've only seen it one time, and not even the height of euphoria zone, which means that we ain't seen nothing yet. Things are about to get really good for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies. Right now, Bitcoin breaking out of the inverse head and shoulders and currently bull flagging for the next zone. Could we go up? Absolutely. Could we go down? Absolutely. I don't exactly know. Time will tell. Sorry, I don't have a good answer for you on that one. But this chart right here, interestingly enough, Bitcoin has always printed its macro USD highs 12 months from this point right here on the D line in the global liquidity cycle. Now, interesting to note, this point was 3 months ago, and 12 months from there would put it January 2025, which would be crazy because if we have the peak in September, the end in January, that would almost perfectly resemble the 2017 bull run to a T. So it could definitely happen once again, and that would be pretty cool because 9 months before the top in 2017, Bitcoin was trading at a fraction of what it traded at the top. So could we see the same blow-off cycle? Look, it's right here. I think that was less than $1,000 right there, all the way up to $20,000. Could we see another 20x? Goodness me, I hope so, because then we'll all just retire. As long as the world doesn't explode or collapse, we all drown in plastic or whatever it could be. Now, for those of you who aren't interested in Bitcoin, I don't know why you watch my channel because we speak about mostly Bitcoin, but every once in a while we talk about altcoins on this channel. And take a look at this. ETH Bitcoin breakout with a hammer, showing a breakout at the apex of a descending triangle with a hammer candlestick. This could bring us another alt season in 2024 and 2025. The last time we saw this similar formation, look at this breakout with a hammer on the end. Well, we saw a massive alt season to follow. So altcoins may be in for quite a rally thanks to Doge, rest in peace. Now, not only Ethereum, but also Solana looking like another breakout for Solana. You can see these triangle structure breakouts. Price jumps dramatically after that. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Boom. And we just had the GameStop pump last week. And after GameStop pumped back in 2021, Solana went on for a 66x. What could we potentially see this time? I don't even know. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video. Also, YouTube thinks you should check out that video, and I agree. Click on it, watch it, and just keep on doing that with the rest of my videos on the channel. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.